Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about digital NOT gate, digital NAND gate, and digital NOR gate. Okay. So first of all, let's talk about digital NOT gate. So NOT gate is represented by this symbol. What NOT gate does is that it simply inverts the input. Okay. So this is the input and this is output. Okay, so when input is 0, it will invert it and give the output 1. When the input is 1, it will give the output 0. Okay, so this is digital NOT gate. So let us draw the truth table of digital NOT gate. Okay, so here is the truth table of digital NOT gate. It has one input and one output. So this is input and this is output. So this is O. Okay, let's write it output. Okay, so when input is 1, it will invert it and give the output 0. When input is 0, it will invert it and give the output 1. Okay, next is digital NAND gate. Okay, digital NAND gate. So digital NAND gate is the combination of two gates, AND gate and NOT gate. Okay, so we saw the AND gate. This is the digital AND gate. It has two inputs, A and B, and one output, out. Okay, when the output of AND gate is inverted by the NOT gate, it becomes the NAND gate. Okay, so NAND gate, this is the NAND gate. Okay, this is the symbol of NAND gate, and an AND gate with this circle. Okay, so this is the symbol of digital AND gate. It will have two inputs and one output. Okay, now let us see the truth table of digital AND gate. Okay, let us see the truth table of digital AND gate. It has two inputs and one output. So this is input A, this is input B. So this is the output of digital AND gate and this is the output of digital NAND gate. Okay, so the inputs will be, when both the inputs are 0, the AND gate will be, the output of AND gate will be 0. When either of the inputs is 0, the output will be 0. The output will be 1 only if both the inputs are 1. Okay, the NAND gate will be the inverted version of AND gate. So 0 will become 1, 0 will become 1, 0 will become 1, and 1 will become 0. Okay, for NAND gate, the output will be 0 when both the inputs are 1. Okay, when both the inputs are 1, the output of NAND gate will be 0. Otherwise, if any of the inputs is 0, the output of NAND gate will be 1. Okay, now let us see the digital NOR gate. Let us see digital NOR gate. Okay, so NOR gate is the inverted version of digital OR gate. So we saw the OR gate. It has two inputs and one output. Okay, two inputs A and B and one output, out. Okay, when output of the OR gate is inverted by the NOT gate, this will become NAND gate. Okay, let us see the symbol of NAND gate. So it has two inputs and one output, and this is the symbol of digital NOR gate. Okay, OR gate followed by a small circle. Okay, and it has one output. So let us see the truth table of digital NOR gate. This is input A, this is input B, this is the output of OR gate, and this is the output of NOR gate. Okay, 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. When both the inputs are 0, the output of OR gate will be 0. When either of the inputs is high or 1, the output will be 1. Okay, NOR gate will be the inverted version of OR gate. When OR gate is 0, the NOR gate will be, the output of OR gate is 0, the output of NOR gate will be 1. Why? Because the output of OR gate is inverted by the NOT gate. Okay, and when the output of OR gate is 1, the output of NOR gate will be 0. Okay, so when both the inputs A and B are 0, the output of NOR gate will be 1. Otherwise, when any of the inputs is 1, the output of NOR gate will be 0. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.